Hey there, home cooks! Today we're diving into a simple, hearty dish, beef stroganoff with ground beef. First up, cook 12 ounces of egg noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Add 1 pound of ground beef and cook until brown. Season with salt and pepper, then set aside. Using the same skillet, sauté 1 cup of sliced mushrooms and a large chopped onion until golden. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for another minute. Sprinkle a tablespoon of flour over the veggies and stir well. Slowly pour in 1 cup of beef broth, stirring constantly to avoid lumps. Bring to a gentle simmer and let it thicken. Mix in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Return the beef to the skillet and reduce the heat to low. Stir in 1 cup of sour cream for that creamy goodness. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Serve this delicious mixture over your warm egg noodles and garnish with freshly chopped parsley. Enjoy your homemade beef stroganoff.